Now that your BookShark boxes have arrived, let me show you how to put your instructor's guides in a binder. For this example, I'll be using Level D, History, Language Arts, and Science. The binder is extra wide and could hold a fourth guide, and includes a pocket for timeline figures and extra notes. Each instructor's guide is divided into 4 sections. Section 1, Table of Contents and Introductory Materials. Section 2, the 36-week schedule with notes, activity sheets, and answer keys. Section 3, resources like the book list, scope and sequence, teaching recommendations, and materials for deeper understanding. Section 4, tips to get the most out of your program as well as your proof of purchase. You may do your subjects in any order you want. I'll start with history, then language arts, then science. Place all Section 1 materials in the front of the binder. Then place each week from Section 2 behind its tab, starting with Week 1, History, Language Arts, and Science. Repeat until all 36 weeks are behind their tabs. After that, place Section 3 and 4 resources behind their tabs. Section 4 is the same for all BookShark guides except for the proof of purchase on the back page. Your binder is ready. You can easily find each week's assignments and resources. If you have any questions, email main@bookshark.com. BookShark's advisors are here to help.